Hello children, today we will discuss from question number 6 in this video. Because up to 5 we have already completed. To what power should minus 2 be raised to get 64? Means what will be the power of minus 2 so that it will be equal to 64. So we can let it as x. Let minus 2 be raised to the power x. Minus 2 to the power x will be equal to 64 because now we don't know what power of minus 2 will be, so that it will be equal to 64. Okay. Now minus 2 to the power x, we have to find out the value of this x. 64. So we will take the LCM of 64. 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4. 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12, 2 8 ja 16, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4 and 2 1 2 3 4 5 6. 2 is how many times? 6. So 2 to the power 6. Can I write for this 64? 2 to the power 6. Now this minus sign. Here is minus sign, but there is no minus sign. Base is still not same. Okay, so we have to make the base same. So can I write minus 2 to the power 6 for this? Because yesterday I have explained you that negative term, if have the even power, then it will be a positive only, and it will give a positive result, and positive and negative term will have the odd number in the power, then it will give the negative value. So it is a even term. So even if we will write the minus sign here, it will give the positive result only. Got it? So there will be no difference if you will write here minus sign. No problem. So now the base is same. You can see. And whenever in exponential the base is same, then we can equate the exponent. So x will be equal to 6. So what will be the, therefore, what minus 2, what power we will raise to the minus 2? We will raise power 6. So x is equal to 6 is the answer. Okay. Now question number 7. Simplify. We have to simplify and find out the value of this. So it is also very simple question. Look at here. A number minus 5 to the power 3 into 2 square. So minus 5 to the power 3 means minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. We can write 3 times into 2 into 2. 2 to the power 2. Okay. Now multiply it, minus minus plus, and plus minus minus. Answer will be in minus. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125 but in minus. And 2 2s are 4. Now multiply this. We will get 500 but in minus. Because minus plus will be minus. So this will be the answer. It's B number also. Let's see. What is B number? Minus 1 to the power 11 into minus 2 to the power 4 into minus 3 to the power 5. So minus term, and if 1 1 ja 1 only, if you will multiply 1 with each other 11 times, we will get 1 only answer. But there is a odd power. So answer will be in minus. Okay. Now minus 2 4 times. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. And minus 3 5 times. You can multiply 5 times minus 3. What we will get here? Just multiply minus minus plus and minus minus plus. So it will give a plus result. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 into 1 2 3 4 5. Minus minus plus, minus minus plus, but plus minus minus, because it is odd in power. So it will give a negative result. But what will be the result? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81 and 81 3s are 243. Got it? Now minus minus plus. You will multiply 1, 16 and 243. So 243 into 16 only, because 1 the same number. Will get 3888. Okay, after multiplying these two. Got it? Similarly, its C number, I am leaving it for you. Its power is 5. Its power, both the power is odd. So it will give negative result. This will also negative. And negative negative will be equal to positive. Okay. Now question number 8. Express each of the following in the power of their prime factor. prime factor means you have to take the LCM with the prime numbers only. Okay, so that we will get the prime factor, no? Like 288. So you have to write in the power of prime factors. So you have to take LCM with the prime number only. 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8, 2 4 ja 8, 2 7 ja 14, 2 2 ja 4. 2 is a prime number. 2 3 is a 6, 2 6 ja 12. 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16. 2 9 ja 18. 3 is also a prime number, so we can take 3. 3 1 ja 3. 3 3 is a 9. 3 1. Then 1 2 3 4 5. 2 to the power 5 into 1 2. 3 to the power 2. Both are prime number. So this will be the result. Prime numbers we have written in power form. You can simply write 2 to the power 4 or 3 to the without bracket also, because there is no minus sign. Okay, now B number 1250. Take the LCM with the prime number only. 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. But now here is 5, so it will go with the table of 5, and 5 is a prime number. Yes, 5 is a prime number. So 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. Now 1 2 3 4. So 1250, its result will be 2 into 5 to the power 4, because 4 times. So this is the way you can take the LCM with the prime numbers only. If the prime factors you have to write, means in the power of prime factor. Okay, so it's C and D. I am leaving it for you as a homework. Complete it. Now question number 9, students. Express the following in exponential notation. You have to write this in exponential notation. So very simple it is. I think you can do it. Question number 9. Like 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 5 times, and 5 is also 5 times. How you will write it in exponential form? It is 3 to the power what? 5, and this is also 5 to the power 5, because 5 is 5 times. So can I write it like this together? Both the power is 5. Big bracket means for this and for this, both power is 5. So this is the exponential form. Okay. Similarly this one, minus 3, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 times, and this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 times. So how you will write it? Minus 3 power 7 and 5 power 7. So you can write minus 3 by 5 to the power 7 together. Got it? Similarly this one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6, minus 5 by 9 to the power 6. Okay, or this one you can cancel also, students, like D number 11 by 22, 11 by 22, 11. You can cancel it also. 11 2 ja 22, 11 2 ja 22, 11 1 ja 11. It will be 1 by 2 to the power 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, you can write it like this also, or 11 by 22 to the power 6. After cancelling out, it will become this. Got it? Now question number 10. Express the following rational number in exponential notation, and after that you have to show this in prime factors also. So first of all, exponential notation, how you will show this question number 10. Its numerator is 27 and denominator is 1000. So 27 and 1000. Numerator and denominator separately you will take the LCM. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3 to the power 3 for 27, and 1000 LCM if you will take, we will get 10 10 10 only. Okay, you can take directly with 10 1 ja 10, 10 10 ja 100, 10 1 ja 10. So 10 to the power 3. So you can write 3 by 10 to the power 3. This is the exponential form. But if you have to show this in prime factors also, then 3 is already a prime number, so leave it as 3 only. But 10 is not a prime number, so you have to take the LCM of 10. 2 5s are 10, 5 1. Now 2 and 5 both are prime number. So you can write for this 10 what? 2 into 5. But put this bracket because there is a cube. 10 also cube, no? So you can write 3 to the power 3 by 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 3 separately like this. This is the prime power of prime and this is the exponential form. Got it? Now it's B number 512 by 729. Then 512 separately you will take the LCM by the table of 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. Then 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14. Okay. 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. 7s are not. Okay. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 to the power 9 times. And 729. Take the LCM of 729 also. By the table of 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 3 only, okay? 3 2 8 are 24, 3 1 are 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 to the power 6. So this is the answer. It's C number. There is a minus sign, so don't get panic with the minus. Keep the minus sign separately and write the number in the power notation, okay? And minus sign will be there only, okay? And down also take the LCM. Similarly, this two also. Got it? Next day we will discuss about the laws of exponent. Till then complete it.